This is the Stoeger XM1 rifle. It's a bit of a Marmite design. Some people love it, other people hate it. It's Stoeger's part of the Beretta group. But despite the German, Italian sounding name, it's actually made in China. That's not surprising given the cost. It's about 250 euros. That's about $250, $300 you can find it for in the shops. So let's have a look. What is it? It's an air rifle. It's a PCP air rifle, which means it uses compressed air in a canister that you charge up either from a motorized pump or a hand pump if you like getting some exercise. So what's in the box? An instruction booklet, and then underneath you get the rifle. It's a fairly small, fairly compact design. What's interesting is you can change the cheek rest here with something that's a bit higher to suit different sights. So it's not adjustable as much as, say, a precision target rifle, but you get a bit of adjustment in there. You can take pieces out of the back here to change the back end length of the rifle, and you can put on a different trigger grip there. So it's got a reasonable amount of adjustment, and that's not surprising. It's designed as a target shooting rifle for doing 10-meter target. The basic rifle comes with iron sights, but there's an 11mm dovetail at the back where you can fit a scope if you want to here, and you can remove this sight and you can remove this sight if you want to. As I say, it's compressed air, so you have a cylinder here which you charge up with a little adapter comes here and a pump, and the rifle itself is legal for Europe, 19.9 joules, which is fairly powerful. You can do a bit of damage with that, and it's available in 1.77 and 2.2 calibers. The 1.77 is more commonly available, but I've seen the 2.2 on sale in Spanish stores. You can fire, it has a little thing for the pellets here and magazine for the pellets, which slips in here. You can put 9 pellets in, so you can fire 9 pellets fairly rapidly. Or if you want, if it's in here, yes, you can slip in something you could lose easily. This little thing, and you can put single pellets in. So you pull that back, you put a pellet in there, load a pellet, and then fire. It's fairly precise. There's somebody on the internet managed to shoot a business card into from 12 meters using this rifle. So it's pretty accurate for target shooting, and you can shoot up to about 40-50 meters on targets. Weight is light, it's got a nice feel. The iron sight's reasonably accurate, but you can put a scope on for a bit more accuracy. It's about 3 kilos weight, so it's pretty good, and nice hand grips. But the modern design is not to everyone's liking. This is all plastic. It's part of the barrel's plastic. It's metal internally, so there's quite a lot of plastics in there, but reasonably tough. There's a safety catch here, so you're not going to go around releasing the trigger, and the trigger's adjustable as well here. Overall, pretty nice rifle. So we'll shoot it a bit later and see what it's like.